Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Asian markets continued to fall on Friday as worries about the US fiscal cliff continued to weigh on markets, though Chinese inflation data gave support to some markets. Concerns over the fiscal cliff remained at the forefront, overshadowing upbeat economic data from the US overnight, including an unexpected narrowing of the trade deficit in September to its lowest level since the end of 2010. Asian stocks took their lead from Wall Street once again, where the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell to its lowest level in over 3 months as investors fretted over the ability of US politicians to strike a budget deal. The main Asian data points came from China amid the second day of the Party Congress, where the country is expected to unveil its next set of leaders. China's consumer price index rose 1.7% on year in October, below expectations for a 1.9% on year rise. The inflation data, which was interpreted as a sign that China has room to undertake easing, helped the Shanghai Composite rise 0.2%, snapping a 4-day losing streak. The dollar managed to retake some ground against the yen during the Asian session. The greenback was at 79.56 yen after sliding 0.7% against the Japanese currency overnight. The yen's overnight advance continued to pressure Japanese stocks, with the Nikkei down 0.8%. South Korea's Kospi was 0.6% lower, Australia's ASX 200 was down 0.5%. Gold, which was not weighted down by the dready mood, rose 0.5% to $1,734 an ounce in early Asian trading, as the re-election of US President Barack Obama was taken as a sign that quantitative easing will continue, increasing the demand for alternatives to paper currencies. Despite all the headlines on the US fiscal cliff, investors are beginning to direct their attention to Greece, where there are growing fears the country will fail to make €5 billion debt payment due next week. Today we are expected to have another quiet day, with data due about the University of Michigan Confidence Survey, German CPI, and the UK trade balance. Germany CPI. The consumer price index in Germany is expected to remain flat for October. Forecasts have estimated no change for a second month running, with the year-on-year figure staying at 2%. The Bundesbank must be proud. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.